Third one, write a Python program to reverse a string. Okay, write a Python program to reverse a string. Simple, using array slash operator we can reverse a string. Okay, assign a variable n and take the input from the keyboard, take the string for input string from the keyboard, define function str function name and pass the string as a parameter n, and also array slash operator now d n of colon colon -1. If you want to get the reverse of a string, just simple using array slash operator we can get the reverse of a given string. And print d or return d. If you write print here, just call the function name, simple string of n, simple, that's it. Okay, execute it and enter whatever string. I'm just entering Python here. Check the output NOTHYP. Okay, so suppose if you return a value here, okay, instead of print statement, instead of you writing a return statement, return value, because functions returns a value. Whatever you perform a task, it returns a value. You can print that value inside a function, or you can return that value using return statement. Okay, so return, this variable has a value, so I want to print it. You can print from the outside of statement, outside of the function, sorry, print string n, simple one. Execute it, enter string here now. Okay, reverse of a string here. Okay, or you can print inside a function. Okay, just print inside a function, print d and just call that function name. Okay, string n, that's it. Same. Okay, in both ways you can do it. Okay, right.